Are you looking for the best ways to AI? In today's video, we're diving into Copilot versus ChatGPT, the ultimate showdown, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. The power and potential of both Copilot and ChatGPT are explored in this video. You will be able to confidently decide which AI tool is right for your needs after seeing a head-to-head comparison of these popular tools. Introduction: the rise of AI assistants. Welcome viewers and introduce the topic of AI assistants, emphasizing their growing prominence. Briefly explain the challenges of choosing the right AI assistant, highlighting the need for a comprehensive comparison. Introduce Copilot and ChatGPT as the two leading contenders in the AI assistant space.
Copilot.
Code-centric powerhouse. Dive into Copilot's core functionality, code generation, completion, and debugging. Show real-world examples of how Copilot accelerates coding tasks and enhances developer productivity. Discuss Copilot's strengths, code quality, understanding context, and integration with popular development environments. ChatGPT, conversational versatility. Explain ChatGPT's strengths in natural language processing, including text generation, summarization, and translation. Show how ChatGPT can be used for creative writing, content creation, and answering complex questions. Highlight its user-friendliness and accessibility for a broader audience, even without coding knowledge. Head-to-head comparison. Finding the right fit. Present a direct comparison of Copilot and ChatGPT. Cross-key metrics: code generation capabilities, natural language understanding, and user experience. Showcase use cases where each tool excels, demonstrating their distinct strengths and weaknesses. Provide practical advice on choosing the right tool based on specific needs and use cases. Conclusion: the future of AI assistants. Summarize the key takeaways from the comparison, emphasizing the unique value propositions of each tool. Discuss the ongoing development of AI assistants and the potential for future advancements. Offer a call to action, encouraging viewers to experiment with both tools and share their experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.